Macaroni with potato, Swiss style. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. In Europe, farmers mostly ate this kind of food in the past, because it was affordable and they could produce the ingredients by themselves. What you need for this dish are 200 grams short macaroni, 200 grams waxy potatoes, 1 onion, 1 egg, it's optional, vegetable oil for frying, salt for seasoning, 2 teaspoons marjoram, pinch of black pepper, 30 grams butter and some cress for garnishing. We start with cooking potatoes in salt water because it takes almost 25 minutes to cook. In the meantime, peel and dice the onion to fry with potato later. If you want to eat the onion fresh, like in salad, do it right before eating because it gets bitter in contact with air. When the potatoes are done, we cool them down and peel them. Waxy potatoes don't break apart by cooking, even if you fry them after cooking. I buy them at the farmer markets if I can, because the quality is far better than what I find in the supermarkets. This dish is great to get rid of small potatoes. When the potatoes are peeled, we cut them in 2 square centimeter chunks. Then I heat up some vegetable oil in a deep pan. I fry the potatoes golden brown. We need a deep pan because we are going to combine everything together later. Then I add the diced onion to it. During the time the potatoes are frying at low heat, I bring the water to a boil to cook the pasta. Remember, always add salt to the water to cook pasta. Add the pasta to the boiling water and let it cook until done. The cooking time is always mentioned on the package. After the pasta is cooked, take them out of the water and add them to the fried potatoes. Then add the marjoram, black pepper, and the half of the butter to it. Keep frying them at low heat. Meanwhile, I fry the egg with the rest of the butter. I plate the food. Garnish it with cress. And the egg comes on top. Let's try it. I like the fried egg with runny yolk to complete the food with some creaminess. The taste of the roasted potato and the marjoram goes really well with the pasta. This is herbal and rich in taste. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.